friends, welcome to Sharmishta's Passion. Today's video is on the most loved and iconic patriot of India. Yes, this video is on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He is considered one of the greatest leaders of India ever born. India is going to celebrate 124th birth anniversary of Netaji in 2021. Here are some inspirational quotes of Netaji which are truly inspired. Freedom is not given, it is taken. We should have but one desire today, the desire to die so that India may live, the desire to face a martyr's death so that the path to freedom may be paved with the martyr's blood. It is only on the basis of undiluted nationalism and of perfect justice and impartiality that the Indian Army of Liberation can be built up. The secret of political bargaining is to look more strong than what you really are. It is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. It is our duty to pay for our liberty with our own blood. No real change in history can be achieved by discussions. Men, money and material cannot by themselves bring victory for freedom. We must have the motive power that will inspire us to brave deeds and heroic exploits. India is calling, blood is calling to blood. Get up, we have no time to lose. Reality is, after all, too big for our frail understanding to fully comprehend. Nevertheless, we have to build our life on the theory which contains the maximum truth. Life loses half its interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Soldiers who always remain faithful to their nation, who are always prepared to sacrifice their lives, are invincible. Forget not that the grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. When we stand, the Azad Hind Fauj has to be like a wall of granite. When we march, the Azad Hind Fauj has to be like a steamroller. So, these are some of his iconic quotes. If you like this video, then please do a like and share this video, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel.